Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create a new dashboard in JIRA. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. To log into your JIRA and access the JIRA homepage, begin by opening your company at atlassian.net on your preferred web browser. Upon successful login, you will be redirected to the JIRA homepage. The homepage serves as the central hub where you can access various features and navigate to different sections of JIRA. To access the JIRA homepage from the dashboard, look for the JIRA logo or the JIRA link in the top navigation menu. Clicking on the logo or link will take back to the JIRA homepage where you can explore project overview, issue trackers, boards, and other essential JIRA functionalities. To create a new dashboard in JIRA, start by finding the top navigation menu and selecting the Dashboards tab. This action will redirect you to the Dashboards page where you have the ability to manage existing dashboards and creating new ones. Once on the Dashboards page, locate the Create Dashboard button and click on it. In case if you don't see the button, it's important to check if you have the necessary permissions to create dashboards. And after clicking the Create Dashboard, a dialog box titled Create Dashboard will appear. Within the dialog box, you need to provide a name for your dashboard in the desired field. Additionally, you have the option to include an option, Create Description, to provide further context about the dashboard. Now, if you wish to share the dashboard with other users, select the Shared checkbox. This will enable other users within the JIRA instance to access and view the dashboard. Once you have entered all of the required information and made the necessary selections, click on the Create button to initiate the creation of the new dashboard. JIRA will generate the dashboard based on the provided details, and you can proceed to customize it accordingly to your needs. This involves adding gadgets to display specific information or functionality, configuring layouts to organize the gadgets effectively, and setting permissions to control who can access and modify the dashboard. To enhance your newly created dashboard in JIRA, you can customize it by adding gadgets. Gadgets are components that display specific information or provide functionality within the dashboard. To add gadgets, navigate to the dashboard page and locate Add Gadgets button. Clicking on this button will open up a dialog box displaying a list of available gadgets categorized by type. You can browse through categories or use the search box to find the desired gadget. Once you have selected a gadget, click on Add Gadget button to add it into your dashboard. Depending on the gadget you use, a configuration screen may appear, allowing you to customize its settings. The available configuration options will vary based on the functionality of the gadget. For example, you may be able to specify the project, filter, or time frame to be displayed for an issue statistics gadget. Configure the settings as required and save the changes. If you want to add more gadgets, repeat the process by clicking on the Add Gadget button, selecting another gadget, configuring its settings, and saving the changes. You can add multiple gadgets to your dashboard to display various information and functionalities. Now, to rearrange the gadgets on the dashboards, simply use the drag and drop feature. Click and hold a gadget and drag it into the desired position on the dashboard. Release the mouse button to drop the gadget in the new location. Now, to apply filters in JIRA dashboard, begin by opening the desired dashboard page. Look for the filter result or filter option, typically located near the top or within the gadget you want to filter. Within the filter settings, you will find various parameters and options specific to the gadget you are working with. These parameters will allow you to define the criteria for filtering the displayed data. Configure the filter parameter according to your requirements, such as selecting specific projects, issue types, assigns, or statuses. Specify the values or condition that must be met for the filters to be applied. After applying the desired filter to the gadget on the JIRA dashboard, locate the Save or Save Filter option and click on it. This action will open a Save Filter dialog box. You can provide a name for the filter in the designated field. Next, you have the option to select the appropriate sharing settings for the filter. You can choose to keep the filter private, meaning it will only be visible to you. Alternatively, you can share it to specific users or group, allowing them to access and apply the filters as well. There's also an option to make the filter publicly available for broader accessibility. Once you have provided necessary information and set the sharing settings, click on Save or Create button to save the filter. In the future, you can easily access and apply the Save filter by clicking it from the list of Save filters. This feature enables you to quickly retrieve specific data views or configurations, saving time and effort when managing your projects in JIRA. In the Gadget section dialog box, select for a pie chart using the search bar or browse through the available gadgets until you find the pie chart gadget. Click on Add button next to pie chart gadget. This will add the gadget to your dashboard. Now, once added, you can configure the pie chart gadget by clicking on the Configure or Edit button within the gadget. In the configuration settings, you can specify the data source and the criteria for the pie chart. This may include selecting a JIRA filter, project, issue type, or other relevant field for the chart. Now choose the appropriate data fields to be displayed on the pie chart. For example, you can select the Assign field to show the distribution of issues among assigns. Customize the appearance of the pie chart by selecting color schemes, labels, and other visual settings as desired. And once you have configured the pie chart gadget, click on Save or Apply buttons to save changes and update the dashboard. Now adding another gadget from the Gadget section dialog box, search for two-dimensional filter statistics using the search bar or browse through the available gadgets until you find the two-dimensional filter statistic gadget. Click on Add button to add the two-dimensional filter statistic gadget. This will add the gadget to your dashboard, and once added, you can configure the gadget by clicking on the Configure or Edit button within the gadget. Now in the configuration settings, specify the filter you want to use for the gadget. You can choose an existing filter or create a new one to define the data set to be analyzed. Choose the appropriate fields for the x-axis and y-axis in the gadget. These fields determine how the data will be grouped and displayed. Select the statistic you want to display in the gadget, such as issue count, story points, or any other relevant metrics. You can choose multiple statistics to be displayed simultaneously. Customize the appearance of the gadget by selecting options like sorting, chart type, color schemes, and more. Once you have configured the two-dimensional filter statistic gadget, click on Save or Apply button to save the changes and update the dashboard. The two-dimensional filter statistic gadget will be now displayed on your dashboard, providing a visual representation of your data based on the selecting filter, x-axis and y-axis. It will present the chosen statistic in the table or chart format, allowing you to analyze the data from different dimensions and gain insights into various aspects of your project or issue tracking. Furthermore, to change the layout of your JIRA dashboard, simply open the dashboard, enter the edit mode by clicking on Customize or Edit button, locate the layout configuration option, and select the desired layout option. Then you can drag and drop gadgets within the dashboard to reposition them accordingly to your chosen layout. Remember to save your changes to update the dashboard within the new layout. In the configuration settings, look for the auto refresh or refresh interval option. Now enable the auto refresh option by checking the appropriate checkbox or selecting the desired refresh interval. Specify the time interval at which you want the gadgets to automatically refresh. This could be in seconds, minutes, or any available time unit. Once you have configured the auto refresh settings, click on Apply or Save button to save the changes. The gadget will now refresh automatically based on the specified interval. The auto refresh feature is particularly useful when you need real-time information or when you want to monitor the changes in your JIRA project or issue within manually refreshing the dashboard. By exploring and utilizing these gadgets and applying filters, you can create a comprehensive and informative dashboard in JIRA that aligns with your project management needs and provides valuable insights into the workflows. And that's all for today's video, guys. This is how you can create a new dashboard in JIRA. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.